Which group of elements is known for having a stable electronic configuration in their outermost shell? A. Group 17. B. Group 18. C. Group 1. D. Group 2. The correct answer is B. Group 18. What is the purpose of the upper jaws on a vernier scale? A. To measure internal dimensions. B. To measure depth of hollow objects. C. To provide stability to the slider. D. To measure external dimensions. The correct answer is A. To measure internal dimensions. What are neodymium and samarium used to make? A. Natural magnets. B. Temporary magnets. C. Electromagnets. D. Artificial magnets. The correct answer is D. Artificial magnets. What type of insect is responsible for transmitting malaria? A. Cockroach. B. Housefly. C. Anopheles mosquito. D. B. The correct answer is C. Anopheles mosquito. What event in a female's life marks the beginning of the ova maturing? A. Pregnancy. B. Onset of puberty. C. Menopause. D. Birth. The correct answer is B. Onset of puberty. What do gonads do in terms of reproduction? A. Regulate blood sugar. B. Produce gametes and hormones. C. Produce digestive enzymes. D. Filter waste from blood. The correct answer is B. Produce gametes and hormones. What term describes materials that can be broken down by living organisms? A. Biodegradable waste. B. Consumers. C. Natural indicator. D. Artificial magnet. The correct answer is A. Biodegradable waste. What is ammonium hydroxide used for? A. Removing grease stains from cloths. B. Whitewashing. C. Changing litmus paper color. D. Treating stomach acidity. The correct answer is A. Removing grease stains from cloths. When crystals reappear from a solution upon disturbance, what state was the solution likely in previously? A. Concentrated. B. Diluted. C. Undersaturated. D. Supersaturated. The correct answer is D. Supersaturated. Where are convex mirrors installed as traffic safety devices? A. On pedestrian walkways. B. In acute bends of narrow roads. C. On straight highways. D. Inside tunnels. The correct answer is B. In acute bends of narrow roads. What characteristic describes the size of the universe? A. Extremely small. B. Constantly shrinking. C. Unimaginably and infinitely big. D. Measurable and finite. The correct answer is C. Unimaginably and infinitely big. What is the primary function of the centromere during cell division? A. DNA replication. B. Gene expression. C. Protein synthesis. D. Spindle fiber attachment. The correct answer is D. Spindle fiber attachment. What is an example of a periodic daily change? A. Milk turning into curd. B. Paper burning. C. Weather changes. D. Rusting of iron. The correct answer is C. Weather changes. What are two steps involved in fertilization as per the learning objectives? A. Respiration and photosynthesis. B. Glycolysis and fermentation. C. Transcription and translation. D. Syngamy and triple fusion. The correct answer is D. Syngamy and triple fusion. Which material is listed as allowing the bulb to glow in the activity? A. Wooden scale. B. Metal spoon. C. Rubber. D. Matchstick. The correct answer is B. Metal spoon. The properties of which type of rays depend upon the nature of the gas taken inside the discharge tube? A. X-rays. B. Cathode rays. C. Alpha rays. D. Anode rays. The correct answer is D. Anode rays. For alkenes and alkynes, what needs to be located to determine the naming suffix? A. The nearest functional group. B. The double bond or triple bond. C. The longest carbon chain. D. The number of hydrogen atoms. The correct answer is B. The double bond or triple bond. When considering a heavy truck and a bike with the same kinetic energy, what factor is explicitly mentioned as being different between them? A. Their kinetic energy. B. Their masses. C. Their velocities. D. Their acceleration. The correct answer is B. Their masses. What is observed on a wall when a plane mirror is used to focus light from the sun? A. A dark patch. B. A bright spot. C. A distorted image. D. A rainbow spectrum. The correct answer is B. A bright spot. What does voltage from a battery primarily drive through an electric circuit? A. Photons. B. Electrons. C. Neutrons. D. Protons. The correct answer is B. Electrons. According to the particle model shown, how are particles arranged in a solid? A. Randomly arranged. B. Moderately spaced. C. Spread out. D. Tightly packed. The correct answer is D. Tightly packed. What is mentioned as a property unique to water? A. Its density. B. Its boiling point. C. Its smell. D. Its color. The correct answer is B. Its boiling point. What acts like a sponge when it rains, allowing pollutants to sink in? A. Soil. B. Factories. C. Water. D. Or air. The correct answer is A. Soil. Which type of wood is primarily used for high-quality furniture, desks, and flooring? A. Plywood. B. Particle board. C. Softwood. D. Hardwood. The correct answer is D. Hardwood. What is the primary difference between a primary cell and a secondary cell? A. Their voltage output. B. Whether they are rechargeable or not. C. The type of electrolyte they use. D. Their size. The correct answer is B. Whether they are rechargeable or not. In which medium is the speed of light highest? A. C. B. B. C. A. D. A. D. The correct answer is C. A. Which gender is specifically mentioned as encountering sexual harassment in different forms? A. Adolescent girls and women. B. Adolescent boys and men. C. Preteen children. D. Elderly men and women. The correct answer is A. Adolescent girls and women. What two elements always constitute river water, according to their fixed mass ratio? A. Hydrogen and nitrogen. B. Hydrogen and oxygen. C. Sodium and chlorine. D. Carbon and oxygen. The correct answer is B. Hydrogen and oxygen. What is the characteristic of an image formed at 2f by a convex lens, in terms of size? A. Same size. B. Diminished. C. Magnified. D. Cannot be determined. The correct answer is A. Same size. What piece of equipment is used to hold the beaker above the burner? A. Stopwatch. B. Retort stand and clamp. C. Thermometer. D. Bowling tube. The correct answer is B. Retort stand and clamp. How did you score?